Welcome back everyone to my Tuesday videos, and Tuesdays is non-technical stuff. As you know, I made videos about my RV, what we sold recently, so I can't make videos about that anymore. As always, I tell you, ask a professional before you do anything what I'm showing here. I'm in my garage here. I have a water line coming in, and where it comes out of the floor, it freezes in the winter sometimes. I insulated it, I tried all kinds of stuff. So I got me this here. And that thing is some electric heater, what you just wrap around that pipe. And all I need is about a foot or so. Now this thing is 3 feet long, so I tried to wrap this around. So what we have here, let me open this thing up. Don't you hate these packages? Well, this one opened pretty quick. A lot of warning labels on it. That's something I like to see, right? Warning, warning. For somebody who don't know what to do. Now this one is, do not install behind walls. No, the weird thing is that water pipe comes out in the middle of the floor. Do not run through walls, ceilings, no. Twist, double back, or cross the cable. Well, do not use an extension cord to reach the receptacle. This is weird. I don't have a power outlet. How can I do that? This is ridiculous. I have no power outlet. So how can I plug this in? Let's go in there. I'm gonna show you what I mean. This is gonna be not good at all. I mean, I have to use some extension, or do they expect me to put a power outlet in the floor? This is ridiculous. So this will be probably a video for something, but don't work. You see, here in the middle, out of the floor, comes the cold water pipe. I wanted to wrap this stuff around a little bit to here, right? And then there's nothing I can plug in. How the world I plug in here? I cannot just move a new outlet there. And I'm not allowed to use any extension cable. That's some weird stuff going on, I tell you, because I have an outlet, and this outlet sits right up here. So here we see that thing, right? This is supposed to go on the pipe, something like this. And then you gotta wrap it around the pipe. There's a thermostat in it, but it's not gonna reach anything. It's not gonna reach the outlet. So why you make so a short lead in here? There's no way that this will ever work. Hire a professional or just put a space heater in there. And that's it for this week. Please hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel.